Today we're going to go on an adventure. We're going to explore the forests southeast of Perth. Just like my last video, guys, I'm going to share the roads, I'm going to share the locations of where I go so that you get the most out of watching this video as possible. All right, let's hit the tracks. And guys, if you're following my track, or if you're following what I'm doing, just be super careful turning off that highway. It was bloody busy on that highway, and turning off could be a bit hazardous. So just take care and keep that in mind. Oh, he's absolutely soaking. Where can he go? I'm on top. Let's see how long he lasts up there. I'm gonna guess probably not long. Guys, so I've turned left at, I've turned right at Santa there. Santa probably won't be there when you come, if you come here, but I've immediately come across a bit of an issue. And that is what appears to be a very, very large bog hole. Like always, well, not like always, but this time I am by myself. So, do I cross it? Is the question. What do you reckon, Santa? Should I cross him? Santa's lost his sunnies. The ground feels pretty firm, but will it be firm? Will it be firm in the middle? I've got pants on. I've got pants and boots. It's my normal outfit. I might get a big stick. Yeah, I'll get a big stick and poke it rather than take my clothes off. You guys always miss the good stuff. I just went to, I might walk over the other side. I went to snap a nice looking stick off the thing, and it didn't want to snap off. And it had still had some spring to it, as pine trees often do, and it just flicked me straight in the face. I wasn't filming it, but I'm sure some of you would have enjoyed that. Mate, it feels pretty hard, so I reckon I'll give it a go. That ended up being fairly easy. It was quite a big puddle, but it was nice and firm on the base. Well, it was firm on the base until I've churned it up anyway. I can keep an eye on Santa. I can keep an eye on him, so I'll know if he falls off or not. So I'm just going to continue up this track for a little while and just see where it takes us. There's another really big puddle. All right, rather than getting out, setting the tripod up, I reckon I'm going to fly the drone. Scrap the drone idea totally. It just started pouring down as soon as I launched it, so I think I got a few shots there. Well, you'll be able to tell me, you're watching it right now. I think I got a few shots there on the drone, and my door's open, so, but yeah, I think the drone might have to be grounded. It's a bit like one of those choose your own adventure books. Should I go left? Should I go right? If only I could interact with you like that. I think I'm gonna go right, and we'll see how we go. Geez, it's really chucking it down now. All right, guys, and almost immediately I'm taking a left past this dead tree here. This looks a bit interesting. The reason I'm picking this way is it looked like because that dead tree had fallen over the road there. I don't think anyone will have been up here. Well, we'll see. So I've just scooted around it. You scoot around it too. See how you go. I'm really enjoying doing these videos for you guys. Someone said to me, you need to do videos that people get some value out of. Because I'm not the most entertaining person in the world. So I really need to add some sort of how-to or some sort of, some substance to my videos. So I'm really enjoying doing these ones for you. Going on the tracks, these hidden tracks that are less known, that you could get out with a mate or with your missus, or take one of your kids out just for a few hours, just to get away for a 4-wheel drive. All right, let's get back to it. Just noticed I've lost Santa. Where's he gone? I'll have to look back at the footage and see when we lose him. Alright, the track is taking us back towards the highway now. It's Albany Highway, of course. We would be heading west at the moment and now taking a left. Alright guys, we have come to a crossroad here. This looks like some sort of service track. I'm just going to take it really slow as I pull out in case someone's flying along here. Yeah. So about 3 Ks you'll hit this track and then yeah, straight over into the next bit. The reason is it just looks like the path less travelled, so this is all about finding little hidden gems. So yeah, here we go. Oh, I've just seen something interesting. Let's go have a look at this. An old Honda Accord. Yeah, I'd say that's an old Honda Accord. Have you seen this one? You wouldn't download a car. You wouldn't download a car. That'll be a throwback to that old that ad that used to be at the start of movies that says, "Oh, you wouldn't steal a handbag. You wouldn't, steal a car. You wouldn't download a movie." So at least the graffiti's good-natured. There you go, that was the weapon of choice. Bit of goon. You see this a lot through these pine plantations. Young fellas and that get shitty old cars and thrash them. Yep. It's just the way it is. Alright guys, back to the original plan. I'm going back the way we came up to see the car, and I'm going to turn right onto where I was talking about before. Pretty juicy through here, guys. Really dense. One thing I would watch out for through here, guys, is sticks that'll puncture your tires. I know I go on about punches all the time, but it's a big part of forward driving, isn't it? Avoiding getting punches and doing the best you can. Just because these pines drop really quite strong, thin and straight branches. Like a little babbling brook coming down straight through the middle of the pine trees. I saw the water moving and I was like, oh, someone must be ahead of me, splashing through the puddles, moving it all around. But no, it's that much rain that it's all sort of congregating straight through the middle of the pines, the lowest point obviously, and running down this little road. There's a bloody carrot here. Found a carrot in the middle of the road. So I'm gonna hazard to guess someone has been on this track recently, because why else would there be a carrot there? I just thought I'd show you this log, because just be careful, don't run over those bits. We are back onto what looks like a main service track. We're turning right. This is where I'll leave you. If you've been watching from the very beginning, when I started the channel probably 4, 5, 6 months ago, is where I did the first ever video. I did the road test when I first got the $2,000 Tourer. So eagle-eyed viewers, you will have known that, and good on you for knowing that if you did. If you just continue straight up that road there, that'll take you back to Albany Highway. All care turning onto the highway. Hit that subscribe button. I really appreciate your company, and of course I hope you appreciate mine. All right, that's enough from me. Dougie out.